lesson for module 2, lesson 3. This is where we are going to practice. Um, this is your coach Bruce Wayne tonight. Mr. Magnus is taking a break. So let's read the expressions and then let's do what let's solve this problem. So we have two word forms, statements, and then we have to convert those into numerical expressions. If possible, we'll show you a model of a tape diagram. So the first thing I would do is I have to look at that word means plus and double means multiplication. So how would I write that? So it says that I have the sum of two numbers, which means is an addition. So I'm going to go 21 plus 4. And then it says doubled, which means times 2. There you have it. That's how we solve the first expression. So now, when we have this on a tape diagram, this is how you would show it. So we have 2 times this number, right? So how can we show that one 2 times this number? So let's break that one in half. So this is 21 plus 4, and this is 21 plus 4. So that is 2 times. Okay, that will be the tape diagram for that one. Our next problem will be 2 times, which means multiplication. And let me do this with color. When it says the difference, that means it's a subtraction. I'm going to put this in parentheses. It's a subtraction. A subtraction between what? Well, we have two numbers here. So the subtraction has to be created between these two numbers. And then we have to multiply it times 2. So that's how I'm going to write the expression. It says 2 times the difference. So I'm going to write the difference in parentheses. And the difference is going to be between 49.5 minus 37.5. So the answer of this will be the difference. Okay. Now again, a tape diagram would look something like this, because it says that you will have these 2 times, right? Then you have 1 time, 2 times, right? So then the difference will go inside. And let me do this one right here, 49.5 minus 37.5. Okay, so we went from a word from to numerical expression. Now we're going to go from a numerical expression to a word form. Let's get to that one. Okay, so now notice that this one says 10 times. So that's going to be 10 times. Okay, now remember that we said when we have an addition, we call it, let me write it here, a sum. Okay, so it's going to be 10 times the sum. So you have to add two numbers, right? So the sum between, and then you write the numbers in the parentheses, between 2.5 and 13.5. Notice that I did not say 2.5 plus this, because we already said it when we said the word, when we used the word sum. All right, let's do this one right here. Well, let's do this tape diagram for this one. This one indicates that there are 10 parts, 10 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this expression 25, not 2.5 plus 13.5, that expression is going to go inside. So inside of each of them, because it says that this expression, this is the sum. Now each of these little segments will have the same value, this value, the sum of that number. Okay. Now let's move on to our next numerical problem. And if you look at the one on the left side, sorry about the movement of the camera, I'm working out here, I'm trying to make it work better here. So this one, let's dissect it first. We know that this is an addition, right? So when we are looking for the answer, we call it the sum. And when we look at a multiplication, we're looking for the product. And also this is the product. So now with that, we can write the word, the expression, the word form. So we can say the sum of two products between, what are the products? Well, that's going to be 15 times 2, and because this implicates addition, and 15 times 2. That will be our last example to show how we can transform these numerical expressions into an expression that is a word form. My friends, watch this video again. I'm telling you, you are gonna get better at mathematics. Signing out, your coach. What did I say I was at the beginning? I think I'm Bruce Wayne tonight, or today, or yesterday. Anyways, get good at mathematics. You have what it takes. Signing out, your coach.